How to deposit or withdraw for beginners on crypto.com exchange. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways to deposit or withdraw for beginners on crypto.com. So the process is very simple. You just have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps. First of all, the criteria is that you have to make sure that your account is verified, as well as that you have enough funds and that you've already added the sources. Next thing, you have to go to login into your account, then go to the trade section and select whether you want to deposit or withdraw. So as you select either one of it, the interface is going to remain the same. Only difference will be that you have to enter the wallet address as per the sell button or as per the withdraw section, and then you have to select the destination where you're transferring all of that and entering the exact amount. You can go ahead and confirm the transaction by entering the PIN or maybe reviewing all of these information. So that is how you can deposit or withdraw for beginners on crypto.com exchange. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.